How to fix AMD graphic driver error 182 in Windows 11. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, in the search bar, go ahead and search for Device Manager. Inside Device Manager, go ahead and simply tap on Display Adapters. Then simply right click on your AMD. Then tap on Update Driver. From here, tap on Search automatically for drivers. And as you can see, the best driver for your device is installed. Once you're done, go ahead and check if it fixes your issue or not. If not, go ahead and tap on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then tap on Let me pick from list of available drivers in my computer. Then select the second one. Then simply tap on Next. Now once it is done, go ahead and double tap onto it. Then tap on Driver. Then you want to go ahead and simply tap on Rollback Driver if it lets you. Once done, tap on OK. Head back to your home screen and then in the search bar, go ahead and check for updates. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and tap on check for updates, and if there is any update available, you want to go ahead and install it. Once done, you'll then be able to fix that issue. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.